Good evening. Today is Monday, October 16, 2023, and here are the 7 p.m. SL Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sure 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Monday, October 16, 2023. Here are the SL Sure 3 7 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for October 16, 2023, Monday. Here are the STL Sure 3 7 p.m. result for Cebu City under LTS Advance Incorporated for October 16, 2023, Monday. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for Monday, October 16, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.